this video, I'm going to explain exactly the things you need to do in order to increase the conversions and also make sales with your landing page. And for this tutorial, I'm going to be using this landing page that I created a while ago as an example. And without any further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So we're going to be starting with the hero section. This is the first section that your visitors are going to see when they visit your landing page. So you have to make this first impression last. If you don't make it last and they don't know what to do on your landing page, they're just going to click away and then you're not going to make any sales. So for this template that I have here, I said collaboration with brands just got easier. And that shows that the main aim of this website is to make it easy for influencers to connect with brands and also for brands to connect with influencers. The second thing on this whole page that we need to pay attention to is the subheading, and this is going to support your heading. So for this template that I have here, I said the only platform you need to find and connect with brands and influencers all around the world. You can be more creative with these and craft out even a better subheading, or whatever you're going to call it, subtitle, subheading, for your landing page. And the third thing on this landing page is the call to action, and this can be a button that tells your user what next to do on your website. So you don't want to create a landing page and then the users are just going to be confused that, okay, what am I going to do here? You want to give them, okay, you're going to sign up for a package, you're going to contact sales, you're going to check our pricing, and you're going to do anything that you just want them to do. It depends on your type of product and your type of services. And another thing that is very important, but I didn't include in this hero section that I'm using as an example, is the photo. This is going to be the visual element that is going to help paint the picture or the imagination of what you're offering to your users. It's going to help you, like, you can just put a picture for the product you want to sell or a picture that represents the product or service you're rendering. So the next thing you're going to talk about is the features or how it works section, the way I use it on these templates. So for this section, you can just have boxes like how it is on this template that list the most important features of your product or your service. If you're offering a service or a certain product, you need to have this next section. In this section, you can talk about who the service or product is meant for. In this situation, our service is meant for brands who are looking for influencers and influencers who are looking for brands to work with. So if your users don't fit into that category, they can just click off immediately and you're not going to waste their time. For the next section, you need to have some social proof or some testimonials. You can gather all these testimonials by requesting them from your clients or from your users or whatever service you're offering. You're just going to ask them that, okay, this is a feedback, and they're going to give you a feedback. Wow, this product is awesome. This service is awesome. I recommend it 10 over 10. And then you're going to put those type of testimonials on your landing page. For the next section, we have frequently asked questions. I didn't include it in this template, but I have another landing page for my web design services where I have a frequently asked question, and this is going to answer some common questions that people might ask about your service or products. This will reduce the load on your customer support, or let's say if you're even the one managing the customer support for your product, it's going to reduce the type of message that they receive, like, well, am I going to get the money back? When am I going to get this thing? Let's say you are delivering a physical product now, what is the timeline for the delivery? You can just put all those things in a frequently asked questions. And for the last section on this landing page, we're going to have the call to action section again, and this is very straightforward. After reading all the old information on this website, we don't want to stress them by scrolling back to the top where we added the call to action button again, and then you have to click down to actually do what you want them to do on the landing page. We're just going to have another section that we can use to convert them to paying customers. And these are what I see as the important sections that needs to be on your landing page. And depending on the type of product or service you offer, you might need to add some extra sections that I didn't put into this template that I have here. Some of them include the pricing section. Some of them include services, some tables, how it works, and your portfolio and all those stuff like that. So you can add all those sections to it. Just choose the one that is very important to your product or service and then just put it on your landing page. And also remember, you don't want to make your landing page too long and then people just start to scroll and they're like, what's the essence of all these routes? And so just click off and you're going to lose your customers. And by following these steps, I believe you can build a better landing page that actually works. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video also and you want to see more of this content, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications on my content. You can also drop a comment for any video suggestion you might have for me, or let's say anything I might have missed in this current video, and I'm going to make sure to attend to your comments. Until next time, stay awesome.